Happy morning. Today we are going to learn kite for decoration. Okay, we are going to design the kite. So I need a square paper. How big you want, that big you have to take the square. And I will show how to use the shape rectangle to make the same kite. Okay, you can use square or you can use rectangle shape paper. Okay, this is the size of Xerox paper. Okay, same size of the Xerox paper, and this I have taken as I want big. Kite paper according to your color combination you can take. Chalo, if you want you can use the kite paper, or otherwise you can leave that way also. I will show you first, then we will talk further. Chalo. Now first thing, fold into two. Okay, this also fold into two. Then draw the bird shape in a half portion. Okay, well, I will just draw with the color pencil so you can see nicely. See, now same way I had drawn here also. See, can you see? Just I will show you in dark. So this is also this way. On the halfway we are going to draw. Now cut on the outer line. Okay, cut on the outer line first, or on the outer side. Don't cut the inside portion. Same way we will cut this also. See, after cutting this, see, when you open this you will find we got the two sides. I will show you. See, first draw this line also. This line, automatically you will get the other line here. See, fold this way where you are drawn. See, this line, pencil line, or fold on the pencil line and just press on that line. Immediately you will get the impression of this line. See, I got the impression on this line, so I will just draw the line. This much you understood, student? Now for the cutting. Whichever shape you want or drawing you want, you can draw it. If you don't have practice, you can just first design what you want to draw. See, here I'm going to cut the eyes. Just I will get it closer. Mostly I will use basic shapes like lines, rectangles, triangles. That is easy to cut also. Just I'm going to take a leaf shape. You can do the design first. See that whatever design you like, you draw it first and then try to cut it. See, if geometrical form, diamond, circle, square, triangles, diamond, any shape you can draw. When you are folding, fold where the drawing is there properly. Okay, see, here start from here, leave a small finger and then start your drawing. Okay, first we will just cut this one. I will show how to cut it. See, now the circle, use your punching machine for the circle. Other things we will cut with the scissors. First I will show you this. See, this portion I had not cut fully, I just leave little bit. Same way on the line, whatever design you had decided, draw on that line, cut it outside outer portion. Okay, see, now for this, fold it. So very nice one idea to punch out the design. See, now for the eyes I'm going to use the punching machine. We get very different type of punching machines, so you can use the same way. See, now see, I need one small circle here, so I'm going to use the punching machine. See, just the halfway, so I'm getting the full circle. So same way you can use the punches here also, as I'm going to use the punches machine on the, going to give a border, nice border I'm going to give side also, which is the smallest side you have to draw there and cut it. Now I'm going to cut a very simple design, so I'm no need to draw, because I'm just going to draw a triangles, so that is very easy. See, just design and very easy to cut also. So I just love this triangles for very flowery design or like that, you can manage with this. Now just I'm going to punch here. See, after cutting all the things, see, it looks so pretty now. See, after cutting, it looks so pretty. Now what we are going to do, take a kite paper, cut same size of this, and we will stick at the back side. See, I had cut this also. See, so we can go for the contrast color for this, like red or orange. Let's see. We will stick this first. We will cut it. How to cut, I will tell you. See how we have taken the square for this one. Same way I have taken the square. Now fold into two. Keep it like this and draw it line. Okay. Now this is the line I'm going to cut inside. So I'm just leaving little bit space, and I'm going to do the outline again. Then cut it. Inside line, not the outside line, because we had already reduced little bit. I want reduce one. Okay. See that I had just reduced little bit, not too much, very less. Now where the pencil line is there, we are going to apply the glue. Wherever the empty space is there, where we are not cut, there we have to apply the glue. See children, I had given very little dot. Why? Because kite paper is very thin and it gets stick very fast also. See, this is very important. Very gently start from your beam, the face first, and then very gently, take your time. Do not be very in hurry, otherwise it might get, distance. Now wherever there is left out, you can just cut the strip and stick. See, after doing, sometimes what happens, we doesn't get idea how much we have to leave for this, so we have to little bit do the trimming also. If you see the kite paper in the front, you can just trim out. See, this way our decorative kite is ready. See, I will show you when you put on the window glass how it will look. You will see the magic. Let's see. See how it's looking. Really pretty, na? When you paste against the lights comes through it, and you will see the yellow kite paper is picking up from the windows which we had cut. Right? See, these designs we had cut, we can see the kite paper from this because of the light inside coming through this windows which we had cut. See how pretty is looking. Here I had not stick the kite paper, but the window light, means white color glass, is peeping up with the cuts, and it also look very pretty. So if you like, you can not stick the kite paper in the back side of the kite paper. So this way also it's look very pretty, and you can decorate your living room with the beautiful kites for your Makar Sankranti. And yes, in Maharashtra we have Haldi Kunku. For that, you can help your mama to decorate the hall. When there is a Haldi Kunku in the hall, you can just place the kites very nicely. So use your idea to decorate this kites, designer kites, to decorate your house for the function. So enjoy your Makar Sankranti and happy Makar Sankranti. तिळगुळ घ्या आणि गोड गोड बोला. Bye student. Have a nice day. Take care.